I am Paul Hertz, Director of Astrophysics at NASA. Life arose very rapidly on Earth once conditions were right. If we assume that the origin of life is a natural process that takes place when the physics, chemical, and environmental conditions are appropriate, as I do, then the rapid appearance of life on Earth indicates it's not a rare or forbidden natural process. So life should arise in some reasonable fraction of the places in the universe where the conditions are appropriate. But what is that fraction? We have no data since n equals 1, and there's a correlation between that one instance and us being here to ask the question. And where are the places where conditions are appropriate? Besides the Earth, there might be 2 or 3 places in our solar system where life that might have had the conditions appropriate for life to arise sometime in the last 4 billion years. However, the latest exoplanet demographic studies estimate that perhaps 10 to 20% of all the sun-like stars in our galaxy have Earth-sized planets in the habitable zone. That would be around 1 billion potential sites for life to arise on an exoplanet in our galaxy alone. So unless the probability of life arising when conditions are appropriate is relatively high, like 20 or 30%, Earth is probably the only place in the solar system where life ever arose. And unless the probability of life arising when conditions are appropriate is vanishingly small, like 1 part in 10 to the 6, the galaxy is probably teeming with life on exoplanets. For that reason, I'm certain we will find the first evidence for extraterrestrial life on an exoplanet, not in the solar system. That's why NASA's current work towards maturing the technologies and mission concepts necessary for a life-finding exoplanet observatory is important. This is how we will learn that we are not alone in the universe.